So you've taken the perfect photo. It's probably the best one you've ever taken. It's beautiful, it's delicious, it's buttery, and we love it, except for one thing. There's a piece of rubbish in the background, or there's a person that walked into the shot, or there's a car that's driven in, anything like that, and it's just throwing it off, and now you despise it. You can't stand to look at it anymore. Well, it's an easy fix. In 2 simple steps, we can easily get rid of it and make it look like it was never there in the first place. Did you know I just recorded this whole video, loaded it into the computer, waited for it to copy over and do all that, and then I realized I didn't plug the microphone in properly. So there was just footage of me miming words. So this is take 2. Okay, so as you can see, we've loaded in a photo here that we've taken of this car, and there's one thing that stands out, and that's this big, ugly power pole in the background. Now, the rest of it I love, except for that one thing. So it's easy to get rid of. What we're gonna do is basically zoom in here and grab our polygonal lasso tool and just quickly draw an outline of the power pole. Doesn't have to be too precise. You can take more time if you want, if you are chasing better results, but for this video, we're just gonna rush through it. So, here we are, and we'll get this little power pole or light pole in the background too. And that's it. So we've outlined our subject, and we just come up to Edit, Content Aware Fill, and that's going to get the surrounding pixels and try blend in where that item was. So it's done a pretty good job, so we're going to hit OK. There we are, it's disappeared. We've got this weird line sort of going down the middle, so we're just going to blend that in. I'm going to use the blur tool. You can use the clone stamp, you could use the smudging tool, but I'm just going to use this and just fade it all in. And I'll use the clone stamp as well, just to get rid of this. When we zoom out, you'd never know it was there in the first place. Obviously, we can spend a bit more time getting into that and fine-tuning it and making sure that there is no trace left, but you get the point. We've gone literally from this to this, which looks much nicer. We can do a bit more, clean up the signs, there's a little bit of rubbish there. We can get rid of all of that just using this one simple method. I use it in just about any photo I do where there's just those little imperfections, and now you can too. You know how easy it is, so let's do it. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like this and all the usual stuff, subscribe. That's the main thing, and I love you if you do it. But also like, comment, let me know what you want to see in the next video. Peace out, love you. Catch you later.